Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this one we'll cover appointment slot issue reports. This is a fairly useful dataset and it's quite detailed. I'll just show it to you now. So we've got data going back to August 2016, and as at now there's 4.5 million rows of data, so a lot of data. Have a quick look what's in there. We've got site reports, that's data by provider, provider site actually, so each individual hospital, and these are the measures. Then you've got a provider report. This is by provider as well, also commissioners and providers in fact, and these measures. And we've also got organisation site and specialty report. That is by these sites, just these two measures, and that is the total. So that's that. Thank you.